Hey guys, here just doing a quick review on the SteelSeries Rival 100 gaming mouse. They're sold at Walmart. They're relatively inexpensive. I paid a mere $7 for this one on a clearance rack, so you can get them pretty cheap. Overall, for the price, it's a pretty good mouse. Adjustable DPI, so you can see. Quick DPI. It's got slow DPI. So two selectable DPI options. It's backlit with this orange blinking light. It's not terrible, but just a little something. It's got like forward, backwards. So if we go into Chrome, just type it in out now. We got forward, backwards buttons right here on the side, so it takes you back, takes you forward. So that's pretty cool for how cheap the mouse is. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Just got some ergonomic grips on the side for your hands. No fancy braided cable, no frills really. It's just overall pretty average gaming mouse. But for $7, you could pick one of these up at your local Walmart. Oh, and check out my RGB or my LED Blackweb keyboard review. I'll link in the description. Thank you.